Call 1, call on Thursday, February 20th, 2020, 9:18 and 51 seconds p.m.
Long Beach 911, do you need police, fire?
Hello, 911?
Yes, do you need police, fire, or paramedics?
Somebody just been shot inside of a store on south and on, you know where is that?
It was inside the...
No, it wasn't inside the ma'am. They shot him in front of a liquor store next to on Atlantic and Market Street.
Okay,
liquor store. He's on the floor. He's losing a lot of blood.
Okay, listen, we already have the police and paramedics on the way, okay? I have a few questions for you, okay?
Yes.
I just want to make sure this is by Market and Atlantic.
Baby, please. You not. You good. A towel?
Ma'am?
Yes.
Where exactly is this? Market and Atlantic over there?
Yes, ma'am. Market in Atlantic.
Okay, is it just one person that shot?
It was one person. He had a big gun. I'm not...
Okay, so one person did the shooting. Is that correct?
Huh?
Did you see the person who shot him? Hello?
Oh, my gosh. Ma'am.
Ma'am, what is your name?
This man is right here with a shotgun. He's walking freely with the gun in his hand.
Okay, is he black, white, Hispanic, Asian?
He looks Hispanic, ma'am.
Okay, and how old? How old does he look, ma'am?
Ma'am, he looks like he's in his about late 20s, ma'am.
Late 20s. Okay, you're doing great. Okay, we have officers going over there as fast as they can, and this is helping.
With the gun.
Okay, what is he wearing? Color shirt and pants.
He is wearing a blue shirt with a cap on, with some black pants and some shoes, and he's just in the middle of the street. He looks like he's just gonna start shooting.
Okay,
just in the middle of the street, ma'am.
Stay on the ground and as far away as you can. You're doing great. Okay.
And watched as the suspect turned and fired directly at him. The second officer believed there was an ongoing deadly threat to the community and to himself from an active shooter. Based on this belief, the officer intentionally struck the suspect with his car to prevent the suspect from shooting anyone else. The second officer continued to drive north on Atlantic Avenue, made a U-turn, and returned to the scene where another officer was already rendering aid to This photo was taken at the scene and shows damage to the second officer's car. The windshield damage resulted from the impact between the car and the suspect.